Hey guys, Terry here. I want you to know I have been sewing. I made this baby quilt. I'll have a link to the video below, but this was the pattern. It's called High Rise. I thought it was a really cute pattern. It went together very quickly. And this is for a new baby in our family. I just think the colors turned out really pretty. So it's got pinks and greens and blues and purples. We haven't had a little girl in the family in a while, so that was fun to make. So like I said, I'll have a link to that video. But I wanted today to show you what came in the next month's Sewers Club. So I'll have a link to this company. The box is like brimming here, so something fun is inside here. So let's see what it is. Oh, look at the lemons. Oh, Double Foldable Oven Mitt. That is really cool. Approximate size, about 25 inches long. So how cute is that? So this is the November box. Let's see what's in here. That lemon fabric is just beautiful. How fun is that? I love the yellow and the gray. Very sharp. Oh, and look at that. Lemonade. Oh, how bright and beautiful. I love the grays and browns, and then a plaid. How fun. And then it's got the insulated for inside. It's really long. And then it's got the batting and some thread. Love it. Very pretty. And then inside the pattern, they always have really good instructions. So how cute is that? It's got all the steps, all the instructions. It's got a video that you can log into on their website. And here must be a template that you used for the pattern, for the ends of them. So really cute. That fabric is so pretty. So how fun. So I have all these boxes. I need to just sit down and start making these things. They have the cutest ideas. Like I said, on my website, I'll have a link to their information. It comes monthly. I think it's less than $30 a month. But they've always got something cute and fun. So, love this company. And then they've got an add-on. I don't do the add-on, but there's always some other fun stuff that they include in there for the, if you do the add-on. So, this month's special bonus was including the thread. And then it's just got such cute. So it says to save 15%, during the month of November at sewersclub.com. Enter member 15. So I'll have that on the website too. So that's what's in this month's Sewers Club. So thanks for watching. And like I said, I will link to the baby quilt. So I want to show you that I do make stuff. I just haven't made any of these things yet. So I think I'm going to pause it during the holidays, and then I will start making the items, because they've just said so many cute things. One month, I think last month, it was a tote. It was a placemat, or you could make a tote. They sent an alternate pattern, so love that. So highly recommend the company, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks.